Bonjour, je suis le commodore José Kurtz, commandant des cadets et des Rangers juniors canadiens. Je suis originaire de Joliette, une petite ville environ une cinquantaine de kilomètres au nord de Montréal. I joined cadets in the fall of 1984. I was about 16 years old at the time, so I joined a bit late in terms of age group and timing. C'était ma cousine qui savait que j'avais un intérêt pour le militaire et qui avait une amie qui était dans le corps de cadet local, qui m'avait invité à aller voir la revue annuelle en juin 1984. Et puis, j'ai eu la piqûre aussitôt que j'ai vu la revue annuelle. It was a long summer to wait from end of May, early June until being able to parade with the Corps in September of that year. And I think I got my uniform shortly after Remembrance Day. It was a long waiting for me, but I was really eager to join cadets. My favorite part about cadet initially was drill. I really loved marching and drilling. I've always been, and I had always been, fond of discipline. So for me, the military marching was a big aspect of cadet. When I started going to cadets, I found a group of kids, and so I would say that very close second was the ability to meet people and to make friends who had, in many cases, the same interests as I did. So very quickly, Sea Cadets became my place. It became my activity. And I was really, if it was not going to the Corps and participating in the activities, it was about getting my uniform ready and getting my instruction ready. I was doing Sea Cadet stuff 7 days a week. J'ai toujours voulu me joindre au militaire. J'avais toujours eu une affinité pour les uniformes. Quand je me suis rapportée au centre de recrutement à Montréal, c'était, je crois que c'était 1987 ou 1988, ils ont fait 2+2 pour moi. C'était environ au même moment où les femmes commençaient à être admises dans les rangs de la marine, mais dans les opérations en mer. Et puis, comme je n'avais pas d'occupation particulière d'intérêt, mais qu'ils savaient que j'avais fait partie des cadets de la marine, ils ont dit, est-ce que vous voulez vous joindre à l'élément de la marine? It's been a most fulfilling career ever since, and I don't regret 1 minute. My time in the Navy has taken me in all corners of the world and in many corners of Canada as well. So I would say that that's one of the things that I am really proud of and really happy with for having joined the Navy and served my country, is I had a chance to serve between the East Coast and the West Coast, obviously where our two fleets are located, but also national headquarters in Ottawa and a little bit in Toronto, because we do have a college where officers do go and do a little bit of training there. So between East and West Coast and Central Canada, I've served equal parts of my 32-year career. So I got to know Canada a fair bit because of my time in the military. In terms of time at sea, ma carrière dans la marine m'a emmenée dans plusieurs coins du monde. J'ai fait plusieurs voyages à partir de la côte ouest. Plus tôt dans ma carrière, lorsque je faisais mon brevet de corps à la passerelle, les années 90-91, on avait eu la chance d'aller en Nouvelle-Zélande, en Australie, la Nouvelle-Guinée et Tahiti. Pour une petite Jolietaine qui avait été assez insulaire jusqu'à ce moment-là, c'était un grand voyage d'exploration. Sur la côte Est, j'ai eu la chance de naviguer vers l'Europe, mais aussi vers l'Afrique. En 2008, j'ai eu la chance de faire une mission outre-mer sur la Corne africaine où on avait contré la piraterie et puis on avait effectué des missions d'escorte humanitaire vers la Somalie. Mon commandement du CRJC signifie que je viens comme fermer la boucle. Ma carrière militaire a commencé avec les cadets de la marine au 206 Joliette et puis maintenant j'ai la grande opportunité de venir mener, gérer, mais travailler aussi avec tous les gens qui sont à travers le CRJC. I couldn't be more proud to come full circle here and come and grow and help foster the organization that helped me grow as a teenager and into a young adult making a career in the military, but I know so much the value of the program in terms of giving the tools and giving the instruments to young adults as they hit the road to adulthood, and it's an honor to be able to help them do that in a context of contemporary settings, and we'll see where it goes during my time. So a career in the military can be quite busy, and when I say busy, it's not just long hours, but we're called to traveling, either traveling for business or we deploy, and those are often long periods of time that we are away from family. So the time that I spend outside of the work is usually focused on my family. And so family activities until very recently were focused on taking my child to their activities, and also spending time together as a family. We love to watch the Blue Jays on TV. It's the three of us plus the dog sitting on the couch, and it's just quality time together whenever we can. But there's also a number of personal interests. I'm a bit of an amateur photographer, so I like to dig out the camera and go out and take some pictures. That's probably one of the activities that allow me to switch off and focus on something else than work. And another little thing that helps me relax, c'est mon chien Charlie. J'aime beaucoup aller prendre des marches avec Charlie. C'est un côté qui nous aide aussi à prendre soin de nous, prendre de l'air, sortir et avoir un petit peu d'activité physique. Et puis ça nous aide à rencontrer des gens aussi. C'est une façon de pouvoir parler aux voisins et puis d'interchanger avec des gens avec qui autrement on n'aurait pas la chance de parler. So my goals for CJCR during my time in command here, I think would be threefold. The first one, of course, is in the immediate term is to manage the pandemic and the effect of the pandemic. And primarily is to make sure that we keep our people and we keep ourselves safe as we navigate that pandemic and get to the other end of that. In the medium term, of course, it's to have a look at how do we continue to deliver training in a variety of form while we deal with the effects of COVID-19. Because ultimately, I want to make sure that we keep the youth motivated. Les jeunes qui sont à l'intérieur des rangs des cadets et des Rangers juniors canadiens, et puis voir à quels moyens on pourra continuer à livrer l'entraînement cet automne et puis jusqu'au camp de cadets de l'été 2021. The cadet organization that I joined, the reasons why I joined the cadet organization 36 years ago is not necessarily what entices young people to join today. And I want us to listen to them. I want to know what they want for their cadet program. Et puis, sachant ce qu'ils veulent du programme des cadets, je veux converger ça avec notre expérience, les leaders ici au quartier général national, mais aussi dans les régions, et notre connaissance de nos façons de faire, combiner ça avec ce que les cadets veulent pour livrer un programme qui sera contemporain, qui sera au reflet du désir des jeunes, et puis quelque chose qui sera durable pour le futur. So I want to make sure that while we do focus on delivering a program to the cadets, that we also continue to force generate, to develop our CIC officers, because they are crucial, they are instrumental to being able to maintain the cadet program alive and dynamic and going forward.
So don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Give him the chief hand.
You will like the video.
I know people will resonate with that.